Welcome to LaSalle University's Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry. My name is Bill Price, and I am a professor and chair of the department. We are approved by the American Chemical Society and are a small department dedicated solely to undergraduate education. Our faculty provide students with an active, hands-on chemical education that will ensure student success in their future careers. Our defining feature as a department is our commitment to faculty engagement with individual students, and all of our faculty take pride in personally mentoring our majors throughout their time at LaSalle. Our current students comprise a group of talented, unique, and diverse individuals from all walks of life. They aspire to careers in chemical industry, medicine, dentistry, academia, pharmacy, and education. Some have even gone on to law school. The question isn't, what can you do with a chemistry major? It's what can't you do? As a chemist, there are innumerable areas where you can find a home, including careers in cancer research, material science, environmental and atmospheric chemistry, pharmacy and pharmaceuticals, just to name a few. If you choose to go straight to work with your ACS accredited bachelor's degree in chemistry or biochemistry, the area is rich in chemical industry, and we have alumni everywhere, including the founder of Adhesius Specialty Chemicals in Delaware. Another program under our umbrella is an exciting, totally revamped interdisciplinary major in environmental science. Double majoring with chemistry or biology is a very manageable combination. This will prepare you for a wide variety of cutting-edge careers. Please reach out to Dr. Flo Ling for more information. What if I want to go to medical school? Well, you're in the right place. Several majors are appropriate for and chemistry will not only prepare you to get in, but you will thrive once you are there. We are problem solvers, and this is a holistic preparation. Julie Gudekunst is a recent graduate from our program, and she emphasized how crucial her background in chemistry was when she took cell and molecular biology in medical school. She was challenged at LaSalle to go above and beyond to solve complex problems, and with her liberal arts background, to place everything into a global context. Our students earn ACS accredited bachelor's degrees if they participate in an undergraduate research project. We offer research in all areas of chemistry. Indeed, some of our students carry out their research in other departments: biology, environmental science, and mathematics. Over the years, many of our students have presented their research on a national stage at the semi-annual meeting of the American Chemical Society. These meetings are invaluable to their development as a scientist. Additionally, these experiences have, in part, helped our students gain 14 full rides in addition to generous stipends to PhD programs this year alone. Please come and visit us. We will gladly give you a behind-the-scenes tour of our instrumentation labs and classroom facilities.